What's the meaning of abseil? Abseil. 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 To abseil is to descend a steep slope or vertical drop by using a rope secured from above and coiled around one's body or through carabiners attached to one's body. Abseiling is a common technique used in rock climbing, mountaineering, and search and rescue operations. It can also be used for recreational purposes, such as abseiling down a cliff face or building. To abseil, the climber first secures the rope to a fixed point above the descent. The climber then attaches the rope to a harness or other piece of climbing gear. The climber then faces the direction of descent and steps off the edge, letting the rope control the speed of descent. The climber can use their hands and feet to control their movement, and can also use the rope to brake if necessary. Abseiling is a relatively safe activity, but it is important to use proper safety gear and to follow proper procedures. Abseiling can be a fun and exhilarating activity, and it can also be a valuable skill for those who enjoy outdoor activities.